I was born with the gift of sin. That is why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problem and the solution.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are hearing my voice. I will be wherever you are hearing my voice from. Okay, if it's your first time of seeing my channel, this is the seer. I was born with the gift of sin. That's what people call me the seer. I will tell you everything about you, both the problem and the solution. Today I just want to teach you sword as weapon, how you can use sword as a very powerful weapon. There are lots of common elements in our surrounding. Just because they are common, we don't know how powerful they are spiritually. Most things that are common in the physical realm are things that are waste, like your poo, like your urine, that are waste in the physical realm. They are most powerful elements you can use to fight for yourself in the spiritual realm. So if you want me to make a video on how to use the urine and poo to fight against your enemy, let me know in the comment section. And meanwhile, today I just want to teach you the powerful use of, or how to use sword as a powerful weapon. If you are the kind of person that anytime you dream, anytime you are asleep, you always see yourself running, my dear, these witches are after you, or there are some family causes disturb you, depending on the nature of the dream. If you are not see what is pursuing you, so there are some forces, ancestral forces affecting you. But if you are see what is pursuing you in the dream, like masquerade, then that are witches from the family. Now, how will you use sword as a spiritual weapon? And that's what I want to teach you today. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You liking the video, that is what will put a smile on my face, and in return, YouTube will get to recommend it to other people that might need this video just like the way you do. Please don't just watch and go. Like the video and share to probably the people you think they will need this as a help. Now, if you are the kind of person money does not stay in your hand, if you are the kind of person that if when you wake up in the morning, you always feel weak or tired to do anything. When it comes to things that will benefit you, you always feel weak or tired. If you are the kind of person that you are experiencing cobweb attack, if you are the kind of person that money is not coming to your hand and money is not staying in your hand, and if you are the kind of person that anytime you ask people for help, they will definitely not help you. They will change their mind against you. Or if you are the kind of people that people just hate you for no reason, they hate you for no reason at your workplace, your family, people don't really want to see you, they don't talk nice thing about you. This is for you and more. So I just want to teach you how you can use sword to fight as a weapon, sword as a weapon. Now let me start with this. If you are the kind of person that anytime you wake up in the morning, you always feel weak, or if you are the kind of person that you are experiencing cobweb attack, okay, we are experiencing cobweb attack. Now what you need to do is that in the morning, when you wake up in the morning, okay, get salt, heart full of salt. That heart full of salt you are going to take, breathe on the salt 3 times. After you have breathed on the salt 3 times, add the salt to your bathing water. If you can get a day old ash, if you can get a day old ash, get a day old ash. When I mean a day old ash, like you burn a paper yesterday or you burn charcoal firewood yesterday, so the next day that ash is a day old. So okay, the day you want to do this, you can get a day old ash, then add that a day old ash to your bathing water, pray on it and take your bath with it. Now this is it. How does this thing work? You can actually do this without a day old ash, but the reason why we are adding a day old ash is this. The reason we are adding a day old ash is this is the cantation. If you add a day old ash, you will see no matter how hot the ash is, no matter how hot the ashes are, or the ash is, sorry, no matter how hot the ash is, that hotness cannot exceed to the next day. So whatever my problem is, I want that problem to end today. That is why we add ash. We normally add ash to spiritual work to make, especially bath, so that to make that work faster, to make the result faster. If you bathe with salt, quite alright, is good to work. It can take like 7 days, 14 days, 21 days, depending on how strong those people disturb you spiritually, depending on how strong they are. But by the time you now add a day old ash to it, okay, you now make that incantation. No matter how hot the ash is, that hotness cannot exceed that day. So as a result, my problem should not My problem should end today. My problem should not exceed today. You make that prayers on that water. You take your bath with that water. If you are the kind of person you are experiencing cobweb attack, before you know, that cobweb attack will stop. And if you are the kind of person that people always hate you, as long as you take this bath, you notice that people mind will change towards you. They will not hate you unnecessarily again. If you are the kind of person that you have asked somebody for help and they have projected that disappointment from that help you asked for that person, by the time you take this bath, now they have projected to work against you will not work again. This is how to use sword for bad as a weapon to fight against any negative energy or any evil fighting against. And if you are the type of person who normally experience this, your dreams are not always are not always are not your dreams are always funny. They are not always good. You normally have bad dreams. So by you can take this bath in the night before you go to your bed. If you like, you add ash. It's not compulsory you must add ash, but the reason why we add ash is to make the work to faster. That's why you must make the incantation. If you should put ash, you must make the incantation. No matter how hot the ash is, that hotness must not exceed that day. So as a result, my problem will not exceed to this. So whatever is making me to have bad dreams, you take the prayer in the night. Whatever is making me to have bad dreams, whatever is giving me setback, whatever is making money not to come to me, whatever it is that is making me to have disappointment from people, whatever it is that is pursuing me in the dream, as I'm taking this bath, I want everything to end today. You take your bath in the night. That is, if truly you normally have bad dream, it's advisable to take the bath in the night. Or anyone you want to do, you can take the bath in the night, except when you are not going for an interview. If you are the kind of person that you are going for an interview, you do this daytime. You are going for an interview or going to meet somebody for help. Like you are going to meet somebody to give you money to start a business. You are going to meet somebody for a favor, for mercy, for somebody to have mercy on you. If we are going for anywhere, maybe you are going to your workplace that you know people normally hate you, or you are going to your business place, take this bath, ash as salt, pray on it, and take your bath with it. You will see how powerful this I'm teaching you is. That is number one. Another way to make salt, and you can use salt as a weapon. Like there are some people that if as long as money is coming to their heart, there's this monitoring spirit that is monitoring them. As long as that money is coming to their heart, before you realize it, once they start spending from that money, they will not know what to do with that money. That money is gone. So if you are that kind of person, at the same time, money is not even coming to your heart. You are walking like elephant, you are eating like rat. Get salt, okay? Get salt. Get a day old ash. Optional. A day old ash is optional. Get salt. Put that salt inside water when you're about to sleep, okay? Or put the salt on your hand like a detergent. Pray on that salt. Anything that is making money not to come to my hand, anything that is making money not to last long in your heart, as this is what I used to wash away anything preventing money to come to my hand, anything preventing money to stay long in my hand. Then you now add salt to that. You now add the water to that salt. Use it to wash your hand. But if you want to make this spell to work fast, add a day old ash to it. Pray on it the same prayer. Then add water to use to wash your hand. Then you go and sleep. When you know you are not going to take your bath again, I am not going to do anything that has water again. You do this. This is how to use it to remove anything that is stopping money to come to your hand. And if you are the kind of person that anytime you say anything, people will not always listen to you. Whether you say anything good, people will always consider it as bad. And this is how you use salt. Get salt after you have gotten your salt, okay? Get salt after you have gotten your salt. Add a day old ash, optional, to make it fast. That's the reason why we're adding a day old ash. Doesn't mean that without the day old ash it will not work. Add a day old ash to that salt. Pray on that salt. Put it in your mouth. Use it to gargle your mouth. Add water to it. Use it to gargle your mouth. Throw it away. You repeat this process for 7 good days. So whatever the enemy have done that will make people to hate whatever you say, that you have discarded. I see as ABC. This one, that money does not stay in your hand. You can do it 3 days. You can do it 5 days. You can use that salt to wash your hand every night for 3 days, for 5 days, or for 7 days. Your choice. But me, 5 represents grace. I normally like going with 5, so that you come along with grace. Come on, guys. If you think I've given